morning, boys and girls. I'm just going to go through and show you how to get onto your PE Canvas page. So here it says physical education. This is second grade. You should see the same picture though when you go into the PE page. When you scroll down, you will come to the enter here button. Click on the enter here. Okay, and then it will take you to the elementary grade page or physical education page where it has a lot of sport icons. So if you scroll down, and I believe we're on week 25. So if you click on week 20, actually it will be week 26 this week. So when you click on the page or the fishing pole, you will come to a screen that looks like this where it says week 25. Each week you will see your weekly fitness log. That's where you go in and input your 5 days a week. It doesn't matter what 5, 30 minutes of exercise a day. So you just post and they have those 3 questions where it tells you or asks you information about your exercising. And then you will go to find another activity below that. This month we have the February Choice Board. So when you click on the February Choice Board, it will take you to this page here, and it might give you more information about whatever activity it is. And this week it just says to please click on the link above and choose your favorite videos. So when you click on the February Choice Board, it will take you to 16 different activities. So you can choose whichever ones you want to do for that week. Normally I do 4 activities for the week since there are 16. Okay, and that is how you get to the PE Canvas page. Thank you and have a good day.